Bouncing back from life's falls, assess the situation. Amid financial loss, stay calm. Check emotions, seek support from friends or advisors. APA 2021. Roll to your side, grieving a death, acknowledge feelings. Reach out to a counselor or support system. Hospice Foundation 2020. Crawl to stability, post-accident, metaphorically crawl. Seek therapists or support for trauma recovery. APA 2017. Kneel and gather strength, after setbacks, metaphorically kneel. Focus on self-care, resilience. APA 2019. Use support to stand like physical support. Seek emotional support. Friends, family, or organizations provide stability. NAMI 2021. Take small steps, as in physical recovery. Take small emotional steps. Focus on gradual progress. Celebrate milestones. WHO 2020. Example, imagine a financial loss. Stay calm, seek guidance, rebuild. Roll with punches, find stability through support. Kneel by focusing on resilience. Stand with friends, family. Take small steps.